Hello, first graders. It's Miss Azos here. I hope you're doing well. Today is a really exciting day because it's review day. That means that we get to go over everything that we've learned so far. How exciting.
Woohoo for review!
But before we begin, it's important that we have all of our materials out. Please make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil for this lesson. We've spent a lot of time practicing comparing numbers and solving problems, and that's why today we're going to spend some time reviewing everything that we've learned. I would also recommend that at this point, if you're still finding some of these concepts to be challenging, to go back and rewatch some of the videos from this unit. Now it's time to get started. And let's begin by comparing numbers. I have two groups of numbers represented by connecting cubes. Let's call them set A and set B. How many cubes are in our first set? Let's start by counting how many groups of 10 we have. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 groups of 10. Now let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 ones. So that means there are 36 cubes. Now let's count set B. Let's start with our tens. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 groups of tens. Now let's count the ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And 3 ones. So that means there are 33 cubes. We can compare these by looking at our digits. Remember, we always start with the bigger digit, which means that we start with the tens. They both have 3 tens. So that means that we need to move on to our ones. 6 is greater than 3, which means that 36 is greater than 33. And we can show that by using our greater than symbol. Remember, the alligator is hungry for bigger numbers, so the symbol faces open to 36. Another way that we can compare numbers is by using a number line. For example, what if I asked you which numbers are less than 36? When we look at 36, we see that moving to the right, numbers increase, but moving to the left, they decrease. So, which way should we go to find numbers that are less than 36? Correct. We want to move left of 36 because the numbers decrease. So let's read all the numbers less than 36 out loud. Are you ready? 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. We can also see on this number line that 33 is less than 36 because it's to the left of 36. And if we want to show that 33 is less than 36, we again use our symbol, which faces open to 36, but this time it's facing right, showing that 33 is less than 36. Now that we've practiced different ways of comparing numbers, let's practice solving a riddle. We will have to use clues to find our secret number. Okay, are you ready for my first clue? Here is my first clue. I am less than 34. What numbers could I be? At this point, pause your video and write your answers down. Thank you for creating that list. Now let's go over this together. Again, we will look at our numbers to the left of 34 because the numbers decrease moving left. So that means we can add 33, 32, 31, and 30 to our list. And now for my next clue. My next clue is, I am 1 greater than 31. Okay, at this point, pause the video and write your answer down. Thank you all for working so hard. Now, I still need a little bit more help figuring out the answer, so I'm thinking, let's go back to using a number line and see if we can figure out what that mystery number is, okay? When we look at 31, all we have to do is move over 1 to the right. And what number did I land on? Correct! I landed on 32. My secret number is 32. Thank you for helping me solve that secret number. Today we reviewed comparing numbers, using our greater than and less than symbols, solving riddles, and using a number line. I think that's a lot of review for us. I hope that you found this review session helpful. I sure enjoyed being with you all today, and I can't wait to see you in our next lesson as we continue to go deeper and deeper into place value. Bye, everyone.